The Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, headed by incarcerated senior APHC leader Shabir Ahmed Shah, has strongly condemned the systematic killing of innocent Kashmiri youth by Indian troops to turn the Muslim majority of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir into a minority. According to Kashmir Media Service, the DFP, in a statement in Srinagar, termed the ruthless killing of Kashmiris as part of the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government's sinister plan to change the demographic composition of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. It deplored that on one hand, India has let loose its troops to kill innocent Kashmiris, while on the other it has intensified its attempts to disempower the Muslim majority by permanently settling the Indian Hindus and granting voting rights to the non-local laborers and Indian forces personnel in the territory. Indian police arrested 4 innocent youth, Shakir Akbar Gojri, Mohsin Wani, Humayun Sharik and Faizan Ashraf, from a checkpost at Gausiabad Chowk in Chinkipura area of Sopore town of Baramulla district. The police dubbed the arrested youth as overground workers of a Mujahid organization to justify their illegal detention. Meanwhile, the IIOJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar and General Secretary Sheikh Abdul Mateen, in a joint statement issued in Islamabad, denounced in strong terms the continued killing and arresting of Kashmiri youth and shifting of political detainees from Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to various Indian jails. They described the shifting of the Kashmiri prisoners to Indian jails as the worst display of victimization to punish them for opposing India's illegal occupation of their homeland. On the other hand, in yet another act of anti-Muslim bias, the Indian Supreme Court refused to entertain a plea seeking the arrest of Bharatiya Janata Party leader Nupur Sharma over her derogatory remarks against the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Instead, the courts asked the petitioner to withdraw the plea. Former Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh leader and whistleblower Yashwant Shinde has said that India's ruling Bharatiya Janata Party had collaborated with the RSS to carry out terror across India for political and electoral gain in the 2000s. According to Kashmir Media Service, speaking during an exclusive congregational briefing co-organized by coalition of human rights organizations including Indian American Muslim Council, Yashwant Shinde also said India's investigation agencies only ever arrested foot soldiers but never the mastermind from among the RSS leadership who were the brain behind the expensive plot to carry out the terror bombings.